Imagine facing constant threats, wars, diseases and betrayals, navigating a life with millions under your command. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most powerful figures in history, encountered this harsh reality daily. In this video, we explore how Marcus Aurelius turned to Stoicism, a philosophy that became the antidote to dissatisfaction in his life. Stoicism, with its principles rooted in wisdom, resilience and self-control, provided him with a framework to endure and thrive amidst rejection and adversity. Join us on this enlightening journey as we unravel the wisdom of Stoicism, and if you're seeking answers, growth, or a fresh perspective on life, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You won't want to miss this enlightening exploration. Lesson 1. Maintain self-worth. Rejection in one area does not diminish your overall worth or capabilities. Separate your self-worth from specific outcomes. Stoicism teaches us a fundamental truth. The rejection in a particular domain should not tarnish our inherent value. Just as Marcus Aurelius faced constant challenges, understanding that external circumstances do not define our worth is crucial. By detaching self-worth from specific outcomes, we can maintain inner strength and resilience. Lesson 2. Endure hardships with Stoic resilience. Stoicism teaches us to endure hardships with resilience. Rather than viewing challenges as insurmountable obstacles, Stoic philosophy encourages us to perceive them as opportunities for personal growth. Embracing difficulties with fortitude and a Stoic mindset transforms adversity into a stepping stone toward wisdom. Lesson 3. Don't react emotionally. Maintaining calm and emotional resilience is paramount when faced with rejection. Stoicism advises internal reflection over emotional reactions. In situations of being ignored, tranquility becomes essential, and responding with dignity and respect aligns with Stoic principles. Focus on self-awareness, understanding that the actions of others should not alter your self-image or values. Lesson 4. Develop Stoic equanimity. Stoic equanimity involves maintaining a balanced mind in the face of both success and failure. By detaching our happiness from external outcomes, we cultivate resilience. This Stoic lesson underscores the importance of finding contentment within, regardless of the ever-changing circumstances of life. Lesson 5. The art of cutting off. In situations where someone ignores you, Stoicism advises cutting off contact. Cease communication through various means and avoid the person, even in shared social circles. This deliberate act of detachment serves as a powerful assertion of self-respect and personal boundaries. Lesson 6. Understand the dichotomy of control. The dichotomy of control, a core Stoic concept, underscores the importance of focusing only on what we can control: our thoughts, actions, and attitudes. By relinquishing concern over external events, we free ourselves from unnecessary stress. This Stoic principle guides us toward a more intentional and purposeful life. Lesson 7. Prove her wrong. When ignored, seize the opportunity to prove misconceptions wrong. Demonstrate capabilities and surprise others with unexpected strengths. Stoicism encourages focusing on personal growth, turning the attention inward rather than seeking validation externally. By concentrating on self-improvement, you not only challenge external perceptions, but also foster a sense of personal satisfaction. Lesson 8. Go out and have fun. Engaging in activities you enjoy is a powerful way to divert attention from being ignored. Stoicism suggests going out, having fun, and maintaining a positive mood with the support of friends. By actively participating in enjoyable activities, you reinforce your self-worth and diminish the impact of external indifference. Lesson 9. Acting as if she doesn't exist. In situations of ignorance, behave as if the person doesn't exist. Refrain from initiating conversations, seek other interactions, and maintain a professional demeanor when necessary. Stoicism teaches that it's easier to move on than to attempt to control situations beyond your influence. Lesson 10. The power of silence. The silent treatment, from a Stoic perspective, is not a tool for manipulation, but a practice of introspection. By refraining from immediate responses, use the time to reflect on your thoughts and emotions with clarity and composure. This approach fosters inner peace and self-control, aligning with Stoic values. Lesson 11. Embrace Stoic acceptance. Acceptance of what is beyond our control is a fundamental Stoic principle. By acknowledging the limits of our influence, we gain inner peace. Stoicism encourages us to distinguish between what we can change and what we must accept, fostering a mindset of serenity in the face of life's uncertainties. Lesson 12. Don't beg for attention. Stoicism advises against begging for attention. Instead, focus on personal satisfaction and emotional independence. By developing self-confidence and finding fulfillment in your activities, you align with Stoic values of wisdom, self-control, and authentic interactions, irrespective of external validation. Lesson 13. Focus on virtue, not reputation. Stoicism teaches us to prioritize virtue over reputation. While society may form opinions, it's our commitment to ethical principles that truly matters. By aligning our actions with Stoic virtues, wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance, we foster a resilient character, transcending the fleeting judgments of others. Lesson 14. Practice negative visualization. Stoicism introduces the practice of negative visualization, contemplating potential hardships to build emotional resilience. By mentally preparing for challenges, we reduce the impact of unexpected setbacks. This Stoic exercise encourages gratitude for the present and bolsters our ability to face adversity with equanimity. Lesson 15. Adaptability as a virtue. In Stoicism, adaptability is regarded as a virtue. When confronted with ignorance or rejection, embrace the Stoic principle of accepting what is beyond your control. Adapt to the situation by focusing on your responses and actions, recognizing that personal growth often involves navigating through challenging circumstances. This lesson emphasizes the importance of flexibility and resilience in the pursuit of a virtuous life. Conclusion. In the journey of deciphering intentions and cultivating authentic relationships, Stoicism offers profound lessons. By focusing on internal stability, personal growth, and emotional resilience, individuals can navigate rejection with wisdom and integrity. Stoicism encourages responses rooted in self-control, demonstrating that confidence and security arise from one's character rather than external recognition. As you embark on applying these Stoic lessons, remember that the key to healthier relationships lies in recognition, action, and, above all, respect for yourself and others. As we conclude this insightful exploration into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, we hope you found these 10 lessons to be not just philosophical concepts, but practical tools for navigating life's challenges. Stoicism, with its roots in ancient Rome, offers a roadmap to personal growth, resilience, and inner peace. If you've resonated with these principles or have your own thoughts to share, Don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more content that empowers you to embrace a fulfilling and balanced life. Until next time, keep growing and stay stoic.